Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hunter TK4 Metal Detector. This lightweight metal detector can easily set the angle of the coil, and the setup is easy and fast. It has maximized depth of detection with the power sensitivity control. Eliminate undesirable targets with the discrimination control. Quickly switch between discrimination, all metal and tone modes with a flick of the mode toggle. The 8-inch search coil is completely submersible, can be used for detecting in shallow water. Renowned discrimination circuitry, easy-to-use technology and proven treasure performance has made the Tracker 4 the choice for many treasure hunters. Our second best metal detector under $100 is OMMO Metal Detector. This thing is so versatile. Assembly was fast, he had it unboxed and running in under 5 minutes, and have used this for so many different things. New OMMO Metal Detector with a pointer screen to display. It is more convenient that you can see the detection mode, sensitivity level, and battery condition. When the metal target is found, the meter pointer swings to the right. Rotate the switch counterclockwise to off to turn off the unit. Rotate it clockwise away from off to turn on the unit. When you rotate the sense from 0 to 10, the sensitivity is gradually increased. The diameter of OMMO Gold Metal Detector search coil is 10 inches. The bigger the search coil is, the higher the sensitivity. The metal detector kit detects coin-sized targets up to 8 inches deep, and larger target up to 4 feet. Let you detecting more efficient and time-saving. Waterproof search coil enables you to use detecting to underwater, perfect for outdoor, like beach, stream, yard. Third in our list is Sacob's Metal Detector. I have always wanted a detector, and I really like this one. It comes with a carrying bag and nice shovel. It requires 2 9-volt batteries. Sacob's metal detector detection depth can reaches to max 8.7 inches. The diameter of the search coil is 10 inch, and it waterproof, enables you detects on the beach or near stream. The diameter of this metal detector's search coil is 10 inches. As you know, the bigger the search coil is, the higher the sensitivity, let you detecting more efficient and time-saving. Waterproof search coil enables you to use detecting to underwater, perfect for outdoor, like beach, stream, backyard. It is obviously more accurate and convenient that you can see the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery condition, and volume level. Even in the nighttime or dark light area. You can get information intuitively from the LCD screen, and it can detect metals up to 8.7 inch depth. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best metal detector in $100 range is Baesan Metal Detector. At first, I was getting way too many tones and at all 3 frequencies. The all-metal mode detects metals such as iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, silver, nickel, and foil. The disc mode has 3 different audio tones. You can eliminate the unwanted by setting up the mode. This precise elimination function can greatly improve your detection efficiency and make the detection more accurate and efficient. You can see the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery condition, and volume level on this LCD display. Besides, compare with the other detector. The Baesan metal detector has 7 more intuitive icons on the display. It's more accurate and convenient to differentiate the iron, gold, copper, silver. Our last pick is RMricomax metal detector. This is a good beginner detector. It seems sturdy and the color is awesome. I wanted something to play with and explore. And we found some stuff. The search coil of the detector is waterproof, but the control box is not waterproof. The height is adjustable. The length of the Discover detector is adjustable and fit for both adults and kids. Bring it outside with your families. Enjoy the fun of outdoor exploration together. Plug your headphone into the jack on the meter and wear it. You will never miss effective beeping sound under noisy conditions. RM1065 is an IP68 waterproof detector, can be used without worry at places like beaches, streams and swamps. On the front, it's an 8-inch coil metal probe. Swing it close to the ground. You can quickly uncover the hidden metals from big to tiny. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!